Now, nearly 2 years after the Commonwealth Games in Delhi, the shame isn't over and the embarrassment isn't locked away in obscure files in government offices but right out there on the roads. As Parliament's Public Accounts Committee took the Urban Development Ministry to task, our reporters visited the game sites across Delhi to check things out. You're about to see the pictures they brought us. Incomplete buildings, dug up roads, abandoned constructions. More than 25,000 crore rupees were spent on the games in Delhi. Think about that number as you've taken these shocking pictures of the reality of the CWG Games.
21 months after the country was shamed by the CWG fiasco, the embarrassment is not over for the Sheila Dikshit government. The games have come and gone, but the shambolic preparations drag on at the very heart of the capital. Unfinished projects, dug up roads, exposed electric wires, and incomplete subways converted into dumping grounds to greet you at Connaught Place. And it isn't just CP which is blighted by the unending CWG nightmare.
We are on the Rani Jhansi Road. It is here that the MCD in the year 2008 undertook a grade separator project to connect the Rani Jhansi Road all the way to Azad Market, to Barfkhana Chowk and St. Stephen's Hospital. As you can see, this flyover work is incomplete. In fact, if my camera just pans and goes straight into a band of boys that are sitting under the flyover who are right now consuming alcohol in broad daylight.
The CWG redevelopment projects, which were supposed to finish by 2010 Commonwealth Games, are still not over. The original contractor for such projects had left 15 days before the games.
ये EIL कंपनी कह रही है कि हम 4 ये सबवे नहीं बनाएंगे, हम ये काम नहीं करेंगे और ये ड्रॉप आउट कर रहे हैं.
With the redevelopment showing no signs of winding up, traders are demanding suspension of property tax. They claim they have lost 70% business in the last 5 years.
और इतनी बड़ी दुकानें लेके बैठे हैं कनॉट प्लेस में, खर्चा इतना पड़ता है, इतनी बिजली पानी का खर्चा आता है, वो पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. यहाँ पे लड़कों को नौकरी से छोड़ना पड़ रहा है 3-4 जनों को.
Traders claim that Connaught Place redevelopment project is likely to miss the revised deadline of December as well. Yet the government can't decide whether to shut down these projects or not.
Ma'am, a word on unfinished CWG projects, ma'am. Like CP is still dug up, ma'am. A word on unfinished CWG projects, ma'am. CP is still dug up. What was the deadline, ma'am?
Crores have been sunk into these projects. According to CAG report, poor planning by the NDMC has resulted in 9-fold increase in the project cost. The original cost of the CWG subway project in CP was 76 crore rupees, but now that has gone up to a mind-boggling 651 crore rupees.
The capital is gasping for breath as it continues to be dug up by one agency or the other, fighting a lost battle. As far as the government is concerned, you will just have to live with blocked paths, changing traffic plans and parking chaos for now. With Swastika Mehta and Uday Pratap Singh and camera person Vipin Kumar, Vijay Kao, Delhi Headlines Today.